Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a ceiling fan prank that you can do on your sisters or brothers or parents or anyone you want. So this is a ceiling fan prank. This is my fan right here. So it's a prank about the light. I'll show you. This is the switch to the light and the fan. It's both on one switch. So switch is on. The light is off, so probably thinking when I pull it, the light will probably turn on. But no, it did not turn on. But when I pull it again, it comes on. I'll show you how I did that. So you have to pull the latch, but you can't pull it all the way. So you have to like that. So I pulled it like partially. So when I pull it, it doesn't come on, but when I pull it again, it comes on. I'll show you how I did it again. Alright, pull it off. Like that, like, oh, yeah. So that's the ceiling fan prank. Bye.